In this lecture I would like to explain about line drop compensator. So this is the one of the important equipment for voltage control. As I already said, voltage controller especially we are divided in two ways, one internal voltage control and second one external voltage control. This device is coming under external voltage control because this device is located at the, just see, this is a feeder, this is a substation source, okay, the source, and this is the voltage regulator. So here the feeder is comes from the line power station. So here we are connected the LDC line drop compensator, okay, and these are the resistive load and inductive inductance of the line. Okay, this is the regulation point. So externally we are connected, we are controlling the voltage by connecting this device at the line or feeder. Okay, so how can you how it is operating? So what is meant by, first of all we should know about what is meant by line drop compensator. So now we are our main aim is to design equipment is to maintain the voltage throughout the constant of the throughout the to maintain constant voltage throughout the line. Okay, so this is our line drop compensator. Okay, here how can you compensate the by considering these points to get the voltage constant at the throughout the line. Okay, so here first of all this is the CT current transformer, this is PT potential transformer. Okay, this is R and setting points, setting RL and XL are the setting variable dials and variable dial settings. So here that's why I have shown you an arrow mark. This is also variable and this is also variable. Okay, in case when you want to change a load, for example on the line, what happened on the feeder, what happened, definitely the drop voltage drop will come into the picture. Am I right? So definitely what happened, the constant, you may not maintain the constant throughout the line. Then this compensator is help us to maintain the voltage constant, because here RL is set as this equation, that is CTP by PTN into R effective. That means CTP, that is current transformer of primary, by potential turns ratio of potential transformer into R effective. R effective can be we can calculate by this formula, that is RA into L minus S1 by 2. RA means resistance of the feeder, L is the length of the feeder, total feeder. Okay, and S is the distance between the regulator station to the substation by 2. This is for 3 phase. For single phase you have to multiply with 2, but because we are having 3 two conductors, so we should multiply with 2 for single phase feeder. Okay, as like that we also calculate the X setting value for compensating the inductive variation in the line, inductive drop for compensating inductive drop in the line. So CTP by PTN as like set into X effective. Okay, S effective is equal to XL into L minus S1 by 2. These same formulas, we are both formulas are same, but here we are considering resistance, we are considering the inductive reactance. So for changing these dial settings of resistance and inductance, we can compensate the line drop in the feeder. So this is the purpose of the line drop compensator, that is the function is to maintain the voltage constant throughout the line or feeder. Okay, so which is very very important in examination point of view. These two formulas you have to practice it. Okay, we have the problems on these two formula, these formulas. Okay, and I want to show you how to improve the voltage regulation by choose this circuit. I have to explain through the phasor diagram. This is VRR. Consider the circuit only. VRR is your output. Okay, output is taken as reference, and IL is the load current with an angle of phi. Okay, and IL and RL is in phase with the RL and IL is in phase with the, because due to induction this same current is flowing here in the circuit also, so in phase with the IL, and inductive IL to inductive drop is 90 degrees in phase with 90 degrees to the resistive drop. So this is your V regulation, voltage regulation. Okay, so by this way, by this phasor diagram, we can also calculate the value of V regulation. So by changing the resistance and inductive dial settings, we can improve the regulation also. That means we maintain the voltage constant at that line. Okay, thank you.